I just got some parts. This is gonna be an unboxing video. I really don't know which is which, so we'll just go with maybe this one first. Got a pair of scissors here. Doing this with one hand. I'm gonna put the phone down, cut it, and then I'll open it right in front of you guys. Alright, first box from China. Let's see what it is. Cool, it's the actual carburetor. That's what I thought it was. It felt like it. It comes with one of these, I guess. A filter. And here's the carburetor. There it is. Looks like a nice big old carburetor. Big old hole. Not too big, but just big enough to be like, wow. I think this might be good for a motorized bike. Like I said, I got that adapter plate. That's just going to fit perfectly for this carb setup. This is like a Mikuni clone. This is Mick right here. It might be a real Mikuni, it might be the clone. I like how it looks. The quality is there. It's pretty good. There was different ones where this part was a little different in a different angle. The drain plug was like in an angle. I didn't like those. I like this one because it's just straight right here, and it looked a lot better. These were selling for about 40 or 6 or 50 bucks, but I got this one right here for a deal about like I don't know, I'm gonna say $34, $36. Alright, and the next one is gonna be this one. I'm just gonna cut it and then we'll see what it is. Alright, I just cut it. Let's see. Oh, this is the head. I thought the head was this one for some reason, but or maybe I was thinking this was the head. Alright, it comes with a base gasket. Let's see if I can just unwrap this. It's a heavy ass head. I didn't know it was gonna be this freaking heavy. I did saw how big it looked on the internet. I saw on YouTube a couple of people had this head. I left comments saying, hey, what you think about this head? They never reply. This is just like the cheapest head you could get. I think this one was about $36 or $33 or $33.99. It's an aluminum head. I got the black in color. I was gonna go with this aluminum, but then I'm like, I'll just go with the black. It has this little small dome, and then it has another big old dome in here. I don't know if that's good for performance. Check it out. I don't think so. I think dome should be a little bit nicer, but it is what it is. You pay for what you get, as in quality wise. It didn't come with any scratches. They did a good job wrapping it. I'm gonna have to rewrap it for the stuff to be good. Alright, next one will be this guy. I was able to rip it. Okay, cool. This is the hub adapter kit. This is a cheaper hub adapter kit. As you can see, it's real cheap. This one's different than the traditional hub adapter from like BikeBerry or stuff because it does not. Here, let me just pause the video and I'll show it to you. It does not. It's not the same as like the other ones. The other ones will have like something like that sticking out to it, and this one just comes with the spacers, threads, and then you just put your bolt. In a sense, it might be good just because if you strip these threads, just for some reason, you could run a longer bolt, have your long bolt, and then tie it down with a nut in the back with the washer, and you'll have double life. Don't know how good these are. I heard some people say that these slip for some reason, like maybe it's too smooth from the center and it slides from the hub. But this is gonna be my first time trying it out, and plus it's gonna be on a 50-mile-an-hour bike build, so we're gonna see how that goes. This hub adapter is pretty much universal. It's pretty much for like any type of hub adapter assembly. You can see it has imperfections. It's not as nice as the head or the adapter plate itself. I'm not even going to take it off because you can see it clearly here. It has the 3 holes for the adapter. It has the holes for the actual, if you run it with the, like those rubber and the bolts, like with the bolts to your spokes. And then it even has the ones for if you had like a disc brake style setup. So universal. Say it's 32 tooth, which is weird because I normally seen these 30 tooth, and when I was looking on these generic China ones, the smallest size was like a 32. So I went to 32. This here was about like $37. This thing's really light, so I'm not gonna know what's in here. I'm gonna pause the video. Oh, you know what? This one's not for me. I'll open it anyway. This is my dad ordered this one. Has a pretty nice little box. It's silly or steely. Let's see if I can take it out. No, I'm gonna use the scissors. I'll pause the video. Alright. This here is actual a tail light. I'll put this right here so it won't fly out. It's a little tail light. Well, it's actually smaller than I thought it was. Apparently it comes with a little bracket or something. I think these are battery operated, not 100% too sure. Alright, so this is still, that is still, you know what, it has a little thing here. Alright, there's no hole in it, so I think it is battery operated. Okay, cool. The actual lens itself, it sort of feels like glass. Could be plastic. And then, has this little guard. You could use the guard or take off the guard. This would be nice for actually maybe my build as a back tail light. So that's pretty much what I got. I got this. This belongs to my dad. He ordered. This is my hub adapter, my head, and my carburetor. And that's my unboxing video. So far, I'm still waiting for what parts am I waiting for? I'm waiting for the head that's supposed to come. Not the head, the cylinder kit, the 70cc cylinder kit from Italy. I'm waiting on that, and then I'm gonna wait for a couple other stuff. Definitely, I'm waiting for some of that. I don't know how to pronounce it. Solmic performance parts, like that adapter plate and a couple other things from him, and that'll be a different video.